Our biggest simulation challenges are trying to predict any kind of distortion, but it really depends a lot on the material that we're using. And the 3D Experience platform allows us to use many different materials, and it actually has an effect on the part. So a customer came to us with a part that they wanted to print, and we had a feeling it was going to deform, so we went ahead and printed it anyway. And it bowed like this, and had we done it first in SIMULIA, we would have seen that it had problems from the beginning. In the future, we would run SIMULIA first, figure out what the deformation is, then we can use their reverse shape optimization and get a reverse shape such as this, where it's subtle, but it looks as though somebody crushed it just a little bit. And then we printed this new shape and came up with a part that is much, much straighter.